Believe it or not, I had to actually dust this camera off. It's been so long since we shot any video here at the StanceWorks headquarters, but I promise it's with good reason. Riley and I recently started our own fabrication shop. We've named it Protomachine, and it's right here in the same building, which explains the serious difference since any of our last video content. You'll notice the new lifts, a number of pretty cool cars, but also a lack of us doing much in terms of video. But here we are, we're finally going to take a personal day as soon as Riley's done finishing up this bumper he's building. I'm finally going to get to put my 31 Ford Model A on video, do what we do best, and make something fun to watch, pretty to look at, give it an artistic take. It hasn't graced the StanceWorks homepage yet, so what better time than now? However, it's been parked for a number of months, truth be told, and it's collected a lot of dust. So my girlfriend Emily's going to give things a wash, scrub it down, make it look better than ever. We're going to load it up, and then take it to the corner of Irvine to an abandoned road where we'll make some magic happen. Let's go. So I'm in the Model A and we're loaded up onto the trailer, about to head out to Irvine. We're going to head to a photo shoot location that I haven't used in probably 5 years. It's a cool piece of freeway off-ramp and an old dirt road that doesn't seem to be used for much of anything as far as I can tell. We're going to go on and haul it out there, unload, give it one final wipe down, and let this thing unfold.